students, myself Vimya KP, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Parasharaja College, Pulpalli. Today class I discuss the topic about quality management principles. This topic is a part of emerging trends in management for 5th semester BBA. There are mainly 7 quality management principles. It includes customer focus, leadership, engagement of pupil, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision making, and finally relationship management. These are 7 quality management principles. 1. Customer focus. The primary focus of quality management is to meet customer requirements and to strive to exceed customer expectations. Benefits: there is an increase in customer value, there is an increase in customer satisfaction, there is an improvement in customer loyalty, it enhances in repeat business, it enhances in reputation of the organization, there is an expansion of the customer base, and there is an increase in revenue and market share. Second, leadership. Leaders at all levels establish unity of purpose and direction and create conditions in which people are engaged in achieving the quality objectives of the organization. Benefits: it increases the effectiveness and efficiency in meeting the organization's quality objectives. There is better coordination of the organization processes. There is an improvement in communication between levels and functions of the organization. It develops and improves the capability of the organization and its people to deliver the desired results. Third one, engagement of people. It is essential for the organization that all people are competent, empowered, and engaged in delivering value. Competent, empowered, and engaged people throughout the organization enhance its capability to create value. Benefits: it improves understanding of the organization's quality objectives by people in the organization and increased motivation to achieve them. It enhances the involvement of people in improvement activities. It enhances personal development, initiatives, and creativity. It enhances pupil satisfaction. It enhances trust and collaboration throughout the organization. It increases attention to shared values and culture throughout the organization. Fourth one, process approach. Consistent and predictable results are achieved more effectively and efficiently when activities are understood and managed as interrelated processes that function as a coherent system. It enhances the ability to focus effort on key processes and opportunities for improvement. Benefits: there are consistent and predictable outcomes through a system of aligned processes. It can optimize performance through effective process management, efficient use of resources, and reduced cross-functional barriers. It enables the organization to provide confidence to interested parties related to its consistency, effectiveness, and efficiency. Improvement, that is the fifth one. Successful organizations have an ongoing focus on improvement. Benefits: there are improved process performance, organization capability, and customer satisfaction. There is an enhanced focus on root cause investigation and determination, followed by prevention and corrective action. There is an enhanced ability to anticipate and react to internal and external risks and opportunities. There is enhanced consideration of both incremental and breakthrough improvement. There is improved use of learning for improvement. There is an enhanced drive for innovation. Sixth one, evidence-based decision making. Decisions based on the analysis and evaluation of data and information are more likely to produce desired results, benefits. There is an improvement in decision making processes. There is an improvement in assessment of process performance and ability to achieve objectives. There is an improvement in operational effectiveness and efficiency. There is an increased ability to review, challenge and change opinions and decisions. There is an increased ability to demonstrate the effectiveness of past decisions. Finally, seventh one, relationship management. For sustained success, organizations manage the relationships with interested parties such as suppliers. Benefits. There is a common understanding of objectives and values among interested parties. There is an increased capability to create value for interested parties by sharing resources and competence and managing quality related risk. There is a well managed supply chain that provides a stable flow of products and services. Thank you for watching.